Ringo. Nice.
He likes him. Ringo.
Uh-oh, here he comes, Ringo. He likes Ringo. Who's that? Oh, that's great.
He doesn't see dogs too much, right?
Mm-mm. Who needs television?
Mickey.
Hi.
Uh-oh, they must be moving.
What? No, well, they are, but Mickey's like officially taller than me now.
Kisses.
I think he could be a little bit afraid of Rudy, I would think, but...
No, he called her.
Oh, really?
You see the red shoes?
Man, same with those clothes. Oh.
Maybe, yeah. Just like, look at that. Everything's an adventure now.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's going up.
You come in and licks him a couple times and runs off.
He just climbs right up.
I mean, we had a real problem when we first got Hondo with Lenny, because he was jealous.
What? Mickey's funny?
I mean, if we had a baby in this house all the time,